In this video, we will perform deep cleaning for Canon TS3440 model. There are three ways to perform the printer deep cleaning. One from the printer settings. Press the button, printer settings button, until the display show number 3. Then press the color button. Wait for the setup power light to stop blinking. Now the process is finished. Next step, through mobile application, open Canon print application. Click on the printer name. Click on utilities. Wait for the page to load. Here you can select the option deep cleaning, then click yes. Third option, through printer driver, open PC settings, Bluetooth and devices, printers and scanner, select our printer, printing preferences, maintenance and preferences. Here we have the option deep cleaning. Start the operation.